How's it going? Today I'm back with another video. Today me and Levi are going to be doing fidget spinner throwdown. So we've got 6 fidget spinners here. This one is not very good. That's like my second ever fidget spinner, so. Oh shit.
Awesome man. Alright, let's get into the video now.
Okay, so my three fidgets are going to be this one, and I'm going to go with the heart one too.
No, that was mine. These 3 are mine.
So my 3 versus his 3. His is probably gonna win. But
Okay, put this on camera, man. This is the triple double. Let's look at this bad boy. Got that one right there. Yeah, this is my favorite one that Owen has.
and trust me guys, I have a lot more than just these. These are just like my most one or something, but fidget spinner throwdown. Let's get this going. Okay, Levi, so get on your side over there. I'm gonna start off. Oh, you darn tootin'.
We're gonna start off with some regs. He's got a reg. I got a reg.
I don't.
Well, not anymore. Well, that's kind of cool. I have 2 awesome ones. He has 2 awesome ones. All right, here we go.
All right, here we go. Ready? Wait, set them on the table. Here we go. Ready, set, off the table.
Oh.
And mine is still spinning, guys.
Okay.
So first round goes to me.
So.
Second round. Can't use those anymore. I'm gonna use a regular one. My only regular one left.
All right, I'm using this one right here. It's a heart. It's kind of girly,
It's a
but
metal one.
it's awesome. So, ready? I might lose.
Oh, with like the worst fidget here. Mine still wins.
Okay.
Last final round, I've gone 2-0, so let's do this.
If he wins this, we'll go on.
Saving the best for last.
Oh,
I didn't move mine.
all right. That round didn't count. We were confused. All right. Oh gosh, you stupid camera. All right. So there's Owen's weird looking one. There's my panda weird looking one. All right. And these actually aren't mine. They're all his. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my bad.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! So here's one, the last round.
Right.
But you know what? I went 2 for 1.
Yeah, yes, he did.
And I beat the, like
Into
this.
round 2. Alright. If Owen can win this one, he already won round 1. If Owen can win round 2, he wins automatically.
I'm the fidget spinner champ.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna start off strong. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, mine was a bad one.
Okay, go. Oh, we missed.
Off the table!
No, it doesn't count. Alright, we keep messing up, so. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, shit.
The panda's strong, baby.
Okay, can't use that one again.
Still spinning, too. Still spinning.
That one's like the best one. Best one in my collection. Now, here we go. This one is going to stay strong, and this one's going to beat the frick out of that one over there.
We don't have like a air compressor or something.
Oh, shoot, we do. We're not going to use it. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Yes! Mine takes round 2.
Alright, last one.
Final round. I beat this one with this
Beat it
fidget.
before. Can you beat it?
You ready? Set. Go.
Oh.
Oh, we start over. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes!
Mine's still spinning.
Mine's spinning faster. Yes! Yes!
Okay, guys. You can't use the panda one first.
Oh, he's just scared because my panda one's the best in the whole game. Alright, final round.
So you can't use that first.
I know. I'm just spinning it for good luck. That one? You're going with that one first?
Yeah. You going with this one first again?
What? Yep, I'll do this. But these things are not tight at all. Alright, here we go.
I'm ready. 3, 2,
Wait.
1, go.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh yeah!
Okay, now I've got my strong ones here.
I already beat you. I beat you. Wait.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yes! I win! I knocked it off the table!
Yeah, but yours hit yours.
Huh?
Yours went off.
It was right here.
It hit this one.
So, I win.
And my cap fell off.
And no matter what, I'll win with this. So, I win, people.
So, Levi takes the dub, but we still have this last round.
We're just gonna do this for fun. Doesn't matter, but
There you go.
Whoever wins it is the champion, no matter what
3,
I am. So,
2, 1. Start over.
okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ah,
God
it's so
damn.
strong. I won all 3.
Bro, dude, this is so fucking heavy too.
Woo!
Hope you guys did enjoy the video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.